Hello everyone. In this video, we'll talk about SOUN stock and key levels to watch November 13, 2025. In previous trading session, the stock formed a bearish candle. Now the stock trading below its support level. So the key support level is $11.79. If the price goes below $11.79, it could test $9.71. The key resistance level is $15.28. If the price breaks above $15.28, it could test $16.54. That's my view on SOUN stock today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more update. This video is for education only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.